To get dark mode on any app on Android, follow these steps. First, ensure your device is running Android 10 or later, as this version introduced a system-wide dark mode feature. Start by going to your device's settings. Then select the display option. Look for the theme or dark mode option and toggle it on to enable system-wide dark mode. This will apply a dark theme to compatible apps and system elements. For apps that do not support system-wide dark mode, you can use the Force Dark Mode feature. To do this, go to your device's settings. Then select the developer options. If you cannot find the developer options, go to the About Phone section and tap the build number several times to enable them. Once you have enabled developer options, scroll down and look for the Force Dark Mode option. Toggle it on to force all apps to use a dark theme, even if they do not natively support it. Keep in mind that forcing dark mode may not work perfectly with all apps, as some may not be optimized for dark themes. However, it can be a useful feature for apps that do not have a built-in dark mode option. To enable dark mode for a specific app, open the app and look for a settings or menu option. Some apps have a dedicated dark mode or theme option that can be toggled on. Additionally, some launchers, such as the Google Pixel Launcher, allow you to customize the look and feel of your device, including enabling dark mode for specific apps. By following these steps, you can enable dark mode on any app on Android, either through system-wide settings, developer options, or in-app settings. This can help reduce eye strain, conserve battery life, and improve the overall user experience.